it's Dustin with TechMD. This is part 2 of the Pixel 6, and we're going to be finishing this up, putting the rear camera lens back on. Definitely didn't think there was going to be a part 2 on a camera lens, but this was a challenging device. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy, and I definitely need to see a second one of these after the fact. But as you can see, there's a lot of dust, dirt, gunk around those lenses, and we certainly need to clean that up or it's not going to go well for him. He'll need a camera replacement, which can be certainly expensive if they're even available. I need to look for some very amazing microfiber rags. They're white. These are very handy to get a hold of, but they're not going to leave anything behind. So that lens definitely needs to be cleaned, but I don't know if we're going to fix it. Let's see here. Where is I'm going to get some 99% alcohol and just put a oh, that's glue remover. Oh, there's my alcohol. Put a little few drips on this. Let's zoom back out here. Just get a little rag here and then put a few drips of alcohol. And what we're doing is trying to dab that, which is totally not working. So just get a little bit more. All right, let's see if these cameras work, and then we'll see if it works after we turn on the device. And we definitely got spots and blurriness, and it's really hard to get rid of, unfortunately. It's hard to show it, so we'll try to show it to you. And then we're going to do the ultra wide, see how the ultra wide looks. All right, so I'll just show you guys some of the examples. I know we got some reflective light above us, so we're going to turn off the light real quick. So that's our ultra wide. It turned out good. As you can see here, that one looks good. Okay, so looks really good there. This is still the ultra wide. This one looks a little fuzzed out for the ultra wide, but it could have been because of the direct light with no lens. But you can see the dot here and here, and the dot here. And it's just all out of focus and blurry. That unfortunately is just a bad camera, and you have to take off the screen carefully and then replace the camera. If I can find one for him, I will be obviously suggesting one and getting that replaced, but for now he'll be able to use his ultra wide. All right, so next you just want to make sure that all your glue is cleaned up off of your lens. As best you can. It's really thick stuff, so just try to get the thick part of it or rub it down. I don't want to really wipe this down with alcohol, as I don't want to ruin anything else additional. It's just sad that this main sensor refuses to get cleaned up. So the other idea I've never actually tried, but you might as well, right, is put some acetone on it. Probably not going to fix it, but hey, you know, maybe get a little more aggressive. Once again, we're going to just take a clean rag, dabble right there, get our tool. All right, All right, so put a little acetone on that. Get one more rag, put some alcohol to clean off any excess of residue. I swear that looks a ton better. Let's look at it under the close-up. Dang, this camera's amazing. XA40. Yeah, still looks, see how it's kind of like literally the acetone melted the camera ring.
Yeah.
And it kind of looks, the lens itself looks foggy.
Yeah.
I doubt. Yeah, it still has the big old spots on there. Doesn't look worse, but, well, actually it might look a little worse. Oh, I guess I would have to take a picture. Okay, so just pulling the tape off. Looks like it doesn't stick directly on there. It's going to stick on our lens. I got to figure out which way is which. That looks like the right? Yep. So the matted side is the correct side. Just trying to separate the tape and the blue plastic. Does not want to stick to our new frame here, or piece of glass. If they didn't make the adhesive backwards, we'd be fine. And they totally did. Something is definitely forcing the lens to come up. Not sure what that is. Oh, okay, I'm just having to push it around to get it in that perfect crevice. That's all. That is a crazy phone there. When I do his camera lens, I'll revisit this with some cold press glue. That just takes extra time and the customer's in a hurry, but I think it'll help it sit perfectly flush as well. And give that extra thickness that it needs. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a good one. See ya.